So, Bird, how was Sandsbird made? Well, it all started in the science lab, which you know, and me and the scientists we wanted to do an experiment, really. So, yeah, it was just like a failed experiment. It turned evil against us, and I don't know. What was the experiment really for, Bird? I'll tell you later. Hi guys, it's me, Satsbird. Hi. Little bro's back for revenge. Oh yes, I am, and I have someone to help me. I'd like everyone to meet the Happy Man.
Hi guys, what's going on? Hey, fun fact. Did you know your brain could make? Did you know that your fun fact? Did you know that? Did you know that your brain can get more happier when you smile? Hey, did you know I'm gonna kick your ass in 2 seconds?
Oh, you done did it now. Oh, oh my God, Bird. Huh? Hey guys, it's me, Sandsbird. What's going on here?